gosh, look.
I know, she cut corner. That's crazy. Go a bit to the left to give her space.
I don't know what she's doing.
And then let's carry her, she's giving her space. Look around you though.
They're walking, you know what I mean?
See, that's why we check our blind spot check. That lady didn't check our blind spot checks. See what I mean?
You tried to move.
I know.
You're saving that video. Send it to me. Can you send it?
Yeah, I'll send it.
Kind of expert analysis, which doesn't always fit, I'm afraid, with the headlines that you read in the newspaper, or completely understandably the wishes and desires of those most closely affected. And this is a classic case of the legal system.
At the next roundabout, second exit right. Indicate right.
That's just impatience.
Slow down some more. Indicate as well, yes. Gear now. Now you
So my view is very clear. I don't think anyone under 18 should be prosecuted as an adult. They should of course be dealt with to protect the public if they are dangerous and violent.
Yeah.
But it doesn't do any
okay,
equally capable of understanding